I am going to show you this cool new option that we have now inside of HighLevel that allows you to set a notification so that when someone submits a form that it actually gets pushed into the conversation area. And I don't just mean the answers like we talked about a couple days ago. We talked about the custom fields and how they submit that and it goes into their profile. This is an actual notification inside of the conversation tab that we now have the ability to send so that we are notified in some way, or we do know that someone submitted a specific form, and right there in the conversation tab, we see those answers. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here and show you guys what it is that I'm actually talking about. And then I will open it up for our Q&A. So this is very, very simple today. So this is definitely going to be a quick training, but definitely valuable at the same time. So this is what I was referring to. You guys know when typically someone fills out a form, all of their answers go right here into these folders where the custom fields live. Okay. So you see all of these answers here for Jane Doe. They've all been submitted into this account here. And any of the information, like let's say consultations, for example, it will show up here in the fields. But what if I want to be notified? You would actually have to build that into the workflows to be notified, but there was still no way to be notified here in the conversations tab. And a lot of times you do want to know that. You can see over here in the activity when someone has submitted a form. You could also do like an internal team notification, but a lot of times you want to be able to scroll through here and see among all of the other conversations like Facebook messages and text messages and call recordings and emails, you might want to see that they did submit this specific form. This is really important for something like onboarding or like a survey or something like that, that you not really a survey, but something like that, that you really need that information from them so that you could move on to the next step. This is really important for that. Now you can see here that in this contact area, I can actually view the submission and all of the answers that were submitted here. Now this is just my attendance form, so there's not really a lot of answers, but if I did have very specific questions that I needed to know the answers to, it's real easy for me to check that out here. I can also click here and then go right to the form that they filled out if maybe I don't really know what that form was, okay? So that's what that looks like. And then I can click this button and it'll take me to all of the form submissions that we have inside of our account. And I don't want to click that because this is my live account, but I'm going to show you how to set this up. Okay, so here in my demo account, you see we're in the forms area, and the form submissions that I just told you that links off to would take me here. Okay, so it's just going to take you to your main form submission area. But if I go into the builder and let's say that I want to choose any of these forms here. Of course, when you're creating a form, you can drag whatever fields here. You can create your own fields if you want to and drag those in. But the key thing here that you want to make sure to select is in the settings. And you'll see if you scroll all the way down here, you have this option, create conversation on submission. Okay, so if you want the submission of this form to show up in that conversation area, you need to make sure that you have this toggled on. So I'm actually going to save this and let's go ahead and submit this form here. So I'm going to go to share and I'm just going to open up this form. I can use an incognito window, so let's do that because remember, anytime we're testing, want to make sure to use an incognito window. So I'm going to just put Jane Doe in here. Oops. We'll say Jane, and then we'll say Jane Doe test1@gmail.com. And we can fill in this info. Let's just say John Doe is the VA's name. And let's say it's John Doe at gmail.com. Okay, now I'm going to click here to download the guide. This was just a random form that I chose, so I really didn't even know what it was. Okay, so that is the end of the form submission. Now, if I go back into my form submissions, I see that submission that I just made. So now if I click on this here, you'll see that this opens up and I can see all of this contact info. Now, if I want to go to that contact's profile, I can click there on the little profile image, and then it opens up that profile in the conversation tab for this particular user. So now you can see that we have all of the conversations that we have had with this particular user. So when I filled out that form, it triggered an automation to take place. So we have this here, this whatever this email is, and then we also have this other email. But if I am looking at this and I'm like, okay, Jane Doe, I need to know your answers for so-and-so, whatever that form was that they submitted, I can look over here, but I can also very easily now look in the conversation tab, and you see I can click there and see all of the answers that were submitted. I can click here and go right to the form so that I can see what that form actually was. And of course, I could click here and go to all of the form submissions so I can see every single form and every single person who has submitted that form. Okay. So that's what all of that is there. Okay. So you guys, that's really how easy it is to add that form submission into the conversation tab. Does this sound familiar? You have the world's most powerful marketing tool, HighLevel, but you're still not sure what to say. What's the right message for your customer? What should your emails sound like? What's the perfect call to action? This isn't a tools problem. It's a strategy problem. And you can't build a successful business on a shaky foundation. That's why I want to give you the tool to fix it for free. My name's Bridget Bartlett, and I want to give you a free account of my software, the Vision Blueprint. You can use it right now to create a professional, comprehensive brand guide for your business. This guide will walk you through defining your customer avatar, your brand voice, your value ladder, and your calls to action. It'll help you create a real professional business model. This is the strategic clarity you've been missing, and it's yours for free. Your free account also includes access to my private community, where you can watch me coach other high-level users live 4 days a week. You bring your own HighLevel account, and we'll show you what's possible. Stop guessing. Start building a real foundation. Click the link to get your free Vision Blueprint account now.